Here we are going to look at the numeracy strand interpreting fractions of seconds, minutes or hours. This is quite a complicated topic within time, as we have to involve our converging decimals and fractions for time, so using our 60 rather than our 10, hundreds and thousands. So example 1, 2.5 minutes equals something minutes and something seconds. So if we look at this 2.5, the 2 here is for the minutes part, and the 0.5 part is the seconds. So straight away we know there are going to be 2 minutes, and then the 0.5 is where the seconds is going to come in. Now a lot of people think 0.5 is going to be 50 seconds, but it's not. So if we take this 0.5, so the 0.5, we know that is the same as a half. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So half a minute has to be half of 60. So half of 60 is 30 seconds. So 0.5 in time represents 30 seconds. So your final answer, 2.5 minutes, is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Example 2, 1 3/4 minutes equals something minutes and something seconds. So straight away we can put the 1 in front of the minutes, and now we are going to have to deal with this 3/4 part. So to find 3/4, we want to first find 1/4. So we already know that half a minute is 30 seconds from our previous example. Now to find a quarter, we want to halve that again. So a quarter is half of the 30 seconds. So a quarter of a minute is half of 30, which is 15 seconds. And some of you might relate it to quarter of an hour is 15 minutes. And it's the same for the seconds. A quarter of a minute is 15 seconds. But we don't want 1/4, we want 3/4. So to find 3/4 of a minute, we want 3 lots of that 15 seconds. So 3 lots of 15, so 15, 30, 45. So 3/4 of a minute is 45 seconds. So our final answer for this question is 1 minute and 45 seconds. Last example then. So example 3, Amy does a time calculation. The calculator shows here the answer in minutes, and it says 2.3. How long is this in minutes and seconds? So again, we know this 2 is representing our minutes, and then the 0.3 is representing our seconds. So to concentrate on that 0.3 first. So 0.3, we're looking at that 3, and it's in our tenths column. So a way to write this as a fraction is 3/10. So 3/10. So to work out 3/10 of a minute, we want to do 3/10 of 60. So if we do it the same way as we did the quarter, if we find 1/10 first, 1/10 of a minute is going to be that 60 divided by 10. So 1/10 of a minute is 60 divided by 10, which is 6 seconds. So 3/10 of a minute is going to be 3 lots of that 6 seconds, 3 lots of 1/10. So 6, 12, 18. So 3/10 of a minute is going to be 18 seconds. So our final answer for this question, how long is 2.3 in minutes and seconds, is going to be 2 minutes and 18 seconds.